her like that.
He won't tomorrow because he's going to know what he's getting into, but yeah, I get lucky on the first. Hey there, can you give me 5? Good boy. So when I first start working with him, I have him face me so I can see what he's doing with his mouth.
Okay.
If he's opening his eyes, if he's closing his mouth, if he's opening his mouth, if he's drinking. Tell me about his bathtub experience.
Loves it. He's a little fish.
Okay.
Yeah. He has done some underwater.
Bye-bye.
He has done some underwater swimming. So like, let's say if you give him a little push, he'll swim underwater from like there to here.
Okay, I'll push him there and have him swim to there.
Yep, he can do it.
Initially, I won't do wall work with him because it's inconsistent, but I'll have him go there. Definitely,
Okay.
He can do it. So where did he learn to swim?
Well, we started out with...
Bye, Tyler. Bye-bye.
Say bye to the crab.
Oh, not to me. Bye, crab.
We started out with some of those introductory classes, parent-child at the Y, and
Okay.
really that was just basically dipping him. So then the next few months, I just kept doing what they did. Then he got more and more comfortable.
Okay.
Good job, B. You're okay. Good job, B. Good job, B.
So he
Yeah.
already holds his breath. Yep, he inhaled right there. Good boy.
Good job. You can do it, baby.
Do it. Hey, Brighton, do you see those diamonds? You absolutely can do it. Can you touch those diamonds with your hands for me? Hey, he's
Good
talking
job,
to me.
buddy.
We're communicating.
Yay, good
Brighton,
job.
can you go touch those diamonds for me, sweet boy?
You're doing it, Brighton. Yay, Brighton.
Hey, Brighton, will you go get those diamonds for me again, sweet boy?
You can do it, baby. You can do it.
Nice inhale there. Thank you. You want to climb up? Hey, do you see that crab right there? If you try to climb up, that crab's going to get you. Can you go get those diamonds for me? You want to go touch the crab?
You are doing a great job, B. You're doing a great job. Wow, look at you did it.
Hey, Brighton, go get those diamonds for me again, baby. Nice inhale. Yeah, he's got beautiful.
You're doing a good job, B.
So as soon as I open up my hand, he knows something's coming.
You are doing it. You're doing it.
Fantastic. We're a week ahead already. He's good. Are you okay?
I'm alright.
I know he's just screaming. I asked Nancy if she wanted to stay and hang out and be your cheerleader, and she said, no, she's normally mine. I was like, oh. Okay, then Nancy cries all the time.
You can do it, B. You're
Very
doing
nice.
it. Yay!
I need to see your cute little face looking at me. Can you give me 5?
You can do it, baby. Give her 5.
Give me 5 with this hand?
Yeah!
You want to do 5 with this hand?
Yeah!
my goodness. You're amazing. Wow. And he tucks his chin, his head is down. He's a natural. Yeah. So he has swam like this before.
I mean, just short distance.
Wipe your tears, Mama. Sorry, it should be happy tears.
They're turning into happy tears.
Yeah.
Oh!
I don't know if you want the good news or the bad news. The good news is he holds his breath. He's got good head orientation, meaning we look for them as soon as we signal them. We look for them to tuck their chin, look down, so they have good posture, swimming posture.
Right.
We look for good movement. He has all three of those components. Let's have a swim, okay? Those are 2 weeks of lessons right there, already gone. So the second thing is, if I can't really get him swimming much better without me really addressing his float. If he does not float, that's where we're going next.
Okay.
Hey, you listening to me, my friend?
He's communicating very well today.
Hey, Brighton, you're not floating today? You're just swimming today? I was just talking with Mommy, so come get my hand. Right here. Okay. What's following my hand? I want to climb out.
Oh,
So I want
Brighton.
him to chase after my hand. I want him to make the association.
Yay, baby, you're really doing it.
Are you taking them now?
I sure do like your red purse.
Right there.
You can do it. You're doing such a great job. You're doing such a great
So turn to
job.
get me. He looks down for my hand. So this next time when he turns to get me, I'm going to turn my hand a different direction and I want him to chase it. Then I'll know that he's making the association that touch means air. Okay? He has to chase my hand for me to be able to dictate how the lesson is going to go. My hand is what controls everything in these lessons.
Okay.
So what I'm setting up right here right now is when you see a target, my hand is a target. When you see a target, you swim to it. This is my signal. This is my way of giving you permission to swim. When I start, after I teach him to float, when I start shaping his roll back, the removal of my hand is my signal to roll back and float. So if he falls in a body of water and he doesn't have a target to swim to, he rolls back. Okay? So that's the significance of the hand.
You can do it.
Come get me.
You can do it. Good job, Brighton.
I can't run from you. You're too fast. You're too fast for me. I can't run. I can't do it. I can't run from you. I can't. Are you having fun yet?
Yes.
You're sad?
You're doing it. You are doing it. You are such a good swimmer. You're such a good swimmer. Look at you. He's swimming.
Somebody's taught him to swim. You did, not me. Just a few more and you can be all done for today, okay?
Ready, Brighton?
I thought he was going to go long.
You're doing it, buddy. He's doing so good.
Awesome. He's doing so great. I mean, beautiful.
You are doing it.
You're having so much fun. You're doing fantastic today. Yes, you are.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You're doing it. Yes, you can. You're excellent. Wow, look at those kicks. What a great kick, Brighton.
hand? Come get my hand.
Yay, Brighton!
Very nice. I can't get away from you. You're too fast for me.
You're a fast swimmer! Thank you, Brighton. Such a good job.
Soon, let's do 3 more, okay? And then you can go home.
It's okay. You're doing it.
Nice.
Wow. Wow, B.
2 more. Come on. One more? One more, then you get to go home for
I like it. Yeah.
Ready?
He's always Tyler
Chase
liked
my
the
hand.
water, but he got scared one time at Grandma's because he fell in. And then it wasn't till the Y that we got him liking the water again.
That was fantastic. Will you come back tomorrow? You're all done for today.
Excellent.
So, Kara, you can grab your towels. Did you bring towels?
Yes.
You have 2?
I have one towel.
Okay, then just grab another one out of that blue basket over there.